I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs.
In this video, I'm going to take some miniature bottle brush trees and I am going to turn them into Christmas ornaments. For this first project, I'm going to use 5 trees that are all the same size. I want the brushes to be a natural color, not the green, so I am going to bleach them. I'm just going to pour a little bit of bleach into a jar and then I will remove the bases of the tree. They just screw right off. And then I am going to submerge them in the bleach and let them soak until the green comes off. These did turn really pretty quickly, and once they were natural colored, I took them out of the bleach and rinsed them in water and set them aside to dry.
When choosing trees to bleach, you have to be careful. Some of the newer trees are more of a wire, and I left ones like this in the bleach for a couple of days and they did not change color at all. In fact, all that really happened is the wire in the middle started to get rusty. So you can see the difference here. Here's one that's mostly wire, and then this is the older style bottle brush tree that is going to bleach. When you're in the store, it's easy to think that this is the right kind and pick it up, but you need to look closely. I have my hot glue gun hot and I'm going to glue these together into the shape of a star, something like that. So I will start by gluing these two together. Hold those in position while the glue dries. Then I'll start adding the next. Looks like a starfish when I get all done. I was going to use this ornament here to put in the middle, but it won't slide down in there far enough because of the wires on the tree. So I have this other one, which is the same type of ornament, but it is broken, and that top part is broken off. So I think it's going to be just perfect for this. Great way to use the broken ornament. I'm going to use the hot glue again and put some right here in this hole. And then I will slide my broken ball and push it down in there as far as it can go. Well, I've got this antique looking tinsel. I'm going to use that to put around the ball here. So I'll cut it right about here, and it is wired, so I'm going to use my wire cutters. And I'm twisting the two ends together into a circle, into a little wreath, if you will. A thin row of glue right around the edge of my ball and push this down. Then I've got this decorative trim. I believe this was a Hobby Lobby product. Yes, Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to make a little hanger out of it. I've got the two ends together. I'm going to tie a knot just to keep it from unraveling. Have that knot here at the end. And then I will glue that onto the back. I want to make another one it looks more like a Santa, so I want to have some longer legs and then smaller arms and then a little head. But I think, let's see, I've got this fatter one. I like the fatter one here for the head. So I've got 3 different sizes of trees. These had already been bleached. They came that way. And these 3 I'm going to have to bleach. So again, I'm going to take the bottoms off of all of them. And hopefully, when I bleach these, they're going to end up looking the same. Okay, these are dry now. Arrange it, see how it looks. Adding a bit more hot glue there to kind of make sure everything gets stuck good together. I chose this Santa face. I have these vintage Santa stickers and I chose this one. I like this little face. Probably don't have vintage Santa stickers laying around, so you could cut a Santa face out of some scrapbook paper, or I think I've seen Santa stickers like this at the craft stores. And if you can't find that, you can print one out. I'll put a link below to a site, the Graphics Fairy, that has some different Santa faces. So first thing I'm going to do is I've got some Mod Podge and some fine glitter, and I'm going to glitter on his beard a little bit. I don't want to put the glue, the Mod Podge everywhere. I just want to put it in spots because I want it to look as if the glitter has worn off. I don't want it to be solid on there. I want to glitter the very tips of the trees also with the same white glitter. I'm going to pour a little bit. If my Mod Podge container was full, I could just dip the trees in, but it's not very full. I've poured a little bit into my cap here. The tips are dry now. I'm going to go ahead and attach my Santa. I'm going to use the hot glue again. And then I'm going to use a red hanger on this one to give a little bit more color to it. So I want the hanger to come up on either side of this top. So I'm going to put a glob of glue on either side here. A stick to push the ribbon down into the glue with so I don't get the hot glue on my fingers. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.